Welcome to today's video on one of the most powerful yet often underestimated tools for self-help and personal growth, body language. Have you ever walked into a room and felt invisible? Or perhaps you've wanted to make a lasting impression but didn't know how? Well, today we're diving deep into how body language can transform not just the way others perceive you, but how you perceive yourself. Let's get started. Body language speaks louder than words. Psychologists estimate that up to 93% of communication is nonverbal. That's right, your posture, gestures, and expressions do the heavy lifting when it comes to conveying confidence, trustworthiness, and emotion. Let's begin with a quote from the great Maya Angelou. People will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. Your body language has the power to evoke feelings in others, feelings of trust, admiration, or even respect. Now, imagine harnessing this power to improve your life. Here's how. First, let's talk about posture. Your posture is a window to your self-esteem. Stand tall and the world will notice. When you slouch, your body sends a message to your brain and others that you're tired, unmotivated, or insecure. But when you stand or sit up straight, you're saying, I am here, I am capable, I belong. Try this simple trick. Imagine a string pulling you up from the top of your head. Keep your shoulders back, chest open, and chin level. This is the posture of confidence and leadership. Next up is one of the simplest yet most effective tools in your body language arsenal, your smile. A genuine smile is contagious. It signals warmth, openness, and approachability. As the saying goes, your smile is your logo, your personality is your business card, and how you leave others feeling after an experience with you becomes your trademark. When you smile, your brain releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that boost your mood and reduce stress. Plus, you're likely to make others feel at ease. So, the next time you're meeting someone new or entering a tense situation, remember the power of a smile. Let's talk about eye contact. It's said that the eyes are the window to the soul, and in communication, they're your gateway to connection. Maintaining eye contact shows confidence and respect, but there's a balance to strike. Too little and you seem disinterested. Too much and you might come across as intense. Aim for about 60 to 70% eye contact during a conversation. Remember, the eyes shout what the lips fear to say, so use your gaze wisely to express attentiveness and sincerity. Now, let's explore gestures. Open and expansive gestures communicate confidence, honesty, and engagement. Think about this. Crossed arms can make you seem closed off or defensive, while open palms convey honesty and openness. Be mindful of how you use your hands to complement your words. As Aristotle said, the soul never thinks without a picture. Your gestures are the pictures that accompany your words. Use them to paint a vivid and engaging narrative. Let's talk about the subtle art of mirroring, a powerful technique to build rapport and trust. Mirroring is when you subconsciously or consciously reflect the body language of the person you're speaking with. It signals that you're on the same wavelength. For example, if someone leans in while talking to you, leaning in slightly can create a sense of connection. But remember, subtlety is key. Overdoing it can come across as mimicking, which might backfire. Here's a quick yet powerful tip to boost your confidence instantly: the power pose. This is often called the Superman pose. Standing like this for just 2 minutes can lower your cortisol levels and increase testosterone, making you feel more confident and in control. As Amy Cuddy famously said in her TED Talk, don't fake it till you make it. Fake it till you become it. Adopting powerful poses trains your brain to feel and exude confidence. Here's another vital tip. Your walk speaks volumes. A purposeful stride with your head held high and shoulders relaxed exudes confidence and determination. Eleanor Roosevelt once said, "No one can make you feel inferior without your consent." When you walk with intention, you're signaling that you are in control of your space and your narrative. In social settings, take note of your spatial awareness. Standing too close might invade someone's personal space, while standing too far might create emotional distance. Respecting boundaries shows emotional intelligence and respect. Now, let's apply these principles to some real-life scenarios. Imagine walking into a job interview. Take a deep breath, square your shoulders, and make direct eye contact with the interviewer. Offer a firm handshake, not too tight, not too loose. These small gestures set the tone for the entire conversation. At a networking event, engage with a confident posture and open gestures. Instead of crossing your arms, hold a drink at waist level or use your hands to express enthusiasm when you talk. Mirror the energy of the person you're speaking with, subtly, to create a sense of connection. In your personal relationships, body language can communicate love, support, and understanding. A warm hug, a gentle touch on the shoulder, or leaning in while someone is speaking can deepen connections and show that you care. Before we wrap up, let's consider a quote by Charles Darwin. The expression of emotions by outward signs is universal. Body language transcends cultures and languages. It's a universal tool that we all share, and mastering it can open doors to deeper relationships and broader opportunities. Here's something for you to try right now. Practice standing in a power pose for 2 minutes. Find a quiet space. Stand tall with your hands on your hips, feet shoulder-width apart, and take deep breaths. Notice how your mindset shifts. Do you feel more capable? More in control? That's the magic of body language in action. Another exercise to try is maintaining soft, steady eye contact during your next conversation. Focus on the color of the other person's eyes and listen deeply to what they're saying. Notice how this changes the dynamic of the interaction. It creates a bond that words alone cannot achieve. Test your mirroring skills today. When you're speaking with a friend or colleague, subtly align your posture or gestures with theirs. See how it makes them feel more connected to you without saying a word. This subtle synchronization creates a natural harmony in communication. Here's one more challenge. Experiment with smiling at strangers. Whether you're passing someone in the hallway, on the street, or at the store, flash a genuine smile and observe their reaction. You might be surprised how many smiles you receive in return. It's a simple act that has the power to brighten someone's day, and yours too. Let me leave you with a thought from Ralph Waldo Emerson. What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. Your ability to master body language starts within, with the decision to be intentional about how you show up in the world. If you're ever feeling uncertain, remember the wisdom of Dale Carnegie. Act enthusiastic, and you will be enthusiastic. By adjusting your body language, you can shift your emotions and attitudes. It's a powerful feedback loop that puts you back in control. As you continue to refine your body language, take inspiration from Dr. Seuss. You have brains in your head. You have feet in your shoes. You can steer yourself in any direction you choose. Your gestures, posture, and expressions are tools to steer yourself toward the outcomes you desire. And finally, let's turn to Viktor Frankl, a man who found purpose even in the most challenging of circumstances. He wrote, "When we are no longer able to change a situation, we are challenged to change ourselves." Think about how your body language could be that change. It's not just about how others see you, it's about how you see yourself and the energy you project into the world. Remember the words of Henry David Thoreau, "Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you have imagined." How you carry yourself physically can be a reflection of that confidence and determination to chase your dreams. Here's another exercise to deepen your self-awareness. Stand in front of a mirror and observe your natural posture, expressions, and gestures. Are they aligned with how you want to present yourself? If not, start making small, intentional adjustments. Awareness is the first step to transformation. Consider this insight from James Clear, author of Atomic Habits. Every action you take is a vote for the type of person you wish to become. Every time you practice open gestures, confident posture, or intentional eye contact, you are casting a vote for a more confident, capable version of yourself. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you're joining a community dedicated to personal growth and empowerment. Together, we can inspire each other to reach new heights. Thank you for watching. Now, take what you've learned today and step into the world with confidence. Your body language is your power. Use it wisely. See you in the next video.